Boo! Did I scare you? Well, brace yourself for something even more astounding. The Halloween industry is booming, and guess what? People are splashing out scary amounts of cash on celebrations, with spending hitting a hair-raising $10 billion. That's right, billion with a capital B. Now, imagine diving into that giant candy bowl of opportunity with your own smart SaaS business idea. We're talking about fun, tech-savvy solutions that could tap into the Halloween spirit and, wait for it, potentially fill your pockets with some of that spooky season gold. Ready to unearth these treasures? Let's dig up some super cool money-making SaaS ideas perfect for Halloween. Who knows? You might just stumble upon your next jackpot idea right here. Number 1. Virtual Haunted Reality. Envision a platform offering immersive 3D tours of renowned haunted sites. With advanced VR integration, users can experience authentic thrills, driving a new wave of digital tourism. Monetization? Think premium access, exclusive tours, and partnership revenues. Number 2. Event Orchestrator Pro Halloween Edition. Beyond mere event planning, this comprehensive tool facilitates the creation of unforgettable Halloween experiences. From intricate party details to global vendor partnerships, it's a one-stop solution. Your revenue grows with each successful haunting event organized. Number 3. Avatar Phantasm. Personalization meets the supernatural. Users craft their unique Halloween-themed digital personas, enhancing online interactions. The business magic? In-app purchases for exclusive features and a marketplace for user-generated content. Number 4. Spectral AR Expeditions. This app transforms any space into a spectral playground. Users engage in ghost hunts, powered by AR, right in their backyards. Profit materializes through premium expeditions, equipment upgrades, and a community-driven leaderboard. Number 5. AI Costume Alchemist. Here, AI becomes the fashion guru for Halloween, proposing data-driven, trend-setting costume ideas. It's a hub for retailers and designers to converge, with commissions on sales and advertising partnerships fueling your revenue stream. These concepts are just the tip of the ghostly iceberg, and yes, they promise not just engagement but tangible returns on investment. Navigating the digital landscape may seem daunting, but fear not, at Idea Usher, we're committed to illuminating your path. Your journey from conceptualization to commercialization need not be a solitary one. We're here, ready to partner with you in crafting a success story that resonates beyond the Halloween season. So, which idea sparks a fire in your imagination? Connect with us today and we'll turn your ideas into legacies.